This is what my beautiful 2005 Midnight Blue Metallic Pontiac GTO used to look like about 3 years ago, fresh off of a nice ceramic coating. Unfortunately, I don't have a 3-car garage and this car sits outside in the Texas sun. I tried keeping it as nice as I could, but eventually there is nothing I could do to prevent the clear coat from beginning to fail. The worst parts began on the roof. I decided that I would do a 3M vinyl wrap on the roof to try to cover it up and still look nice. Unfortunately, the rest of the car soon followed suit and began to look poor as well. I left the vinyl wrap on too long and recently removed it. Unfortunately, when I started removing it, it also removed all of the paint off of the roof. I don't have money for a paint job, so here is what I had to do. After using a pressure washer, I sanded down the roof to get rid of these tiny little rust specks and prep it for a sandable primer. I didn't want the roof to rust, and I only had a few days before I was bringing my Grand National back home, and it would have to sit outside again. Something had to be done pretty quick. I had some custom paint made and ordered 2K clear. This was after one coat of the custom base. This is after one coat of the 2K clear. We're gonna go with another coat, and if we have to open the other can, we will. It's got a shelf life of 3 months, I think. But once you mix it, it's got to be used within 48 hours. So not amazing, but not terrible. If I go thick enough, we might be able to sand it and polish it and make it look presentable. Here's about 5 minutes after the second pretty thick coat. It's about all I'm gonna get out of these. Pretty pleased. Hopefully it'll lay down a little bit more. We can sand it with 1500, 2000, and then a quick polish. When your rattle can job looks better than the rest of the car. This is about 2 hours after laying down the 2K clear. Now you can kind of see what the rest of the car looks like now that it's washed. But the roof turned out pretty well. We'll see how it holds up over time. I do have a new seal right here, but I haven't installed it yet. Trunk's looking pretty rough. And this whole side.